خب بچه ها جوین کردیم الان شروع میکنیم این بحث امروز در مورد behind the scene کلاس
مال
بشه یا
سپورت.
برای سپورت. خب در ادامه بحث‌های آمازونی که داشتیم میخوایم پیگیری بکنیم ببینیم که در واقع چطوری میتونیم بفهمیم که وقتی یک اسپورت ایونت اتفاق میفته behind the scene چه اتفاقی میفته. خب شروع بکنیم.
Prime Video Sports Behind the Scenes Tour. من امروز میبرم. Grade 3 plus age 8 plus. Review to be curious.
Oh,
Practice
be
active.
curious, practice active listening, take notes, answer trivia questions, have fun, and think big. خب ما اینو میوتش کنیم صدای این ویدیو هم نمیاد به این خاطر من آن میوتش میکنم.
من اون موقع میوزیک بودم.
Welcome, future engineers. I'm so happy you're here. Today's career tour is going behind the scenes at Prime Video Sports. You're getting special access to all the cool stuff. If you love technology and sports, you're definitely in the right place. I played 11 years in the NFL and won a Super Bowl. These days, I'm an analyst for Thursday Night Football, and it's so much fun. I love being a part of this team, but there's another team you don't see. The computer scientists, product managers, and engineers who work with AI, designers, and more to make sure the game streams without a glitch. You're about to see how technology and people work together, and you might discover a career you want to explore. Remember, there's a place on the team for everyone. Now get out there and have an awesome tour.
33 تا قسمته.
خب شروع کنید. What was the first US sport broadcast? Baseball.
بیسبال.
پوینت گرفتیم.
بله پارس ماهان فقط درست جواب داد.
2 ماهان هست. چرا هر دوتاشون از من جلو هست؟
میتونی یه دونش رو کیک اوت کنی؟
خب August 2002.
ماهان داره چیت میکنه 2 تا کانت داره میزنه ببینه کدوم یکیش درست میشه.
Hey,
من
Ro.
این تور رو طالب بودم.
Glad someone else saw that.
I've got big news. Guess who scored tickets and a behind-the-scenes tour of Thursday Night Football?
For real? You said tickets, plural.
Yep, you're coming with me.
Awesome, I was planning on streaming it. This will be my first professional football game in person.
That's the cool part. It's a tech tour, so we get to watch the game and meet the people at Prime Video Sports in charge of streaming it to millions of people.
Streaming is so awesome. I love that I can stream the game from anywhere. I don't even have to be at home. Plus instant replays. Did I mention I love streaming?
Okay, fanboy, but have you ever wondered how the sports streaming technology actually works? Have you ever thought about how a live game gets from the court or stadium to your device?
It's a total game changer. With streaming, you can watch your favorite team from anywhere in the world. If you have internet connection, of course.
We're gonna learn play by play just how the technology works to stream a live football game.
Or soccer, or boxing, or cricket.
Or basketball. I love watching the WNBA. Go Storm!
Are you ready to figure out how it all works?
Oh, I never turn down a challenge, on the court or off. Put me in, coach.
Awesome, let's do this.
من چیز نمی کنم. من اول با اسم انگلیسی اومدم بعد اگزیت کردم با اسم فارسی.
میتونی اکانت انگلیسی ماهان رو کیک اوت کنی؟ استفادهش نمی کنی؟
خب بریم فعلا.
من درست بگیرم.
1000 گرفتم.
منم 1000 گرفتم.
بله این که درست بود. بعدی
This is so cool. Hi, I'm Rome.
Hi, I'm Mia.
I'm Betsy, coordinating producer on the Prime Video Sports team. Welcome, take a seat.
What does the coordinating producer do?
I build the content that you see when you stream sports.
This is where you work?
On game days, yes. All the audio and video from different cameras and microphones come to this truck. Our team is responsible for making sure that the TV signal from the game is compatible with streaming.
So, as the coordinating producer, you're sort of the coach of Team Stream.
Coach, I like that.
How'd you become a producer?
When I was 2, I looked up at the TV screen and saw Olympic gymnast Mary Lou Retton and declared I wanted to do that when I grew up. As a kid, I loved sports, gymnastics, field hockey, and track and field. I ran track in college and knew I wanted sports to be part of my life even after school. So I studied sports journalism and trained to become the person who tells the story of the sporting event. While I didn't become an Olympic gymnast, I have had the opportunity to cover 9 Olympic Games and hundreds of other sporting events.
Woo! Another goal!
There you go. What you're seeing on your phone is all thanks to the infrastructure we have in place. Infrastructure is the hardware, software, and people working together to deliver the live sports stream. Sports streaming takes engineers, computer scientists, and storytellers from around the globe to bring it to life.
So the action's just not on the field.
No, but that's where it starts. The first step is to capture the sights and sounds of the game, the video and the audio. Before the games, we set up cameras and microphones all over the stadium to capture the game from different angles, close-ups, wide shots, even aerial views. This footage then feeds into computers in this truck, and the production team chooses what to show on the screen.
And that signal is sent to our devices.
It takes a few more steps to turn that signal into data that can stream on your devices.
So, kind of like how the football has to get from the 50-yard line to the end zone, the video and audio data have to follow a path to get from the game to our phone or TV.
Tyler, that's you. That's right, and it takes a lot of technical teams working together to do it.
Camera 32.
Your team isn't running and tackling. So what other jobs need to be done to stream?
Some of us work with the hardware. That's the physical part of the infrastructure, like computers and servers.
So the video feed comes together here. Where does it go next?
The data, the audio and video, is being sent to warehouse servers that encode the data. That's the process of converting data into a digital format that can stream over the internet.
Encode, like a secret code.
The data has to be compressed into a format that can easily travel over the internet. Humans can't read it by looking at it, but computers can.
And then it gets sent to my phone?
Well, to understand how it gets to your device, there are a few more steps. I'll introduce you to my colleague Bjorn to explain. But first, let's huddle up and review what you've learned.
No problem. I got this play down.
بدید.
Hardware.
Infrastructure.
فکر کردم ارفان زد هاردور.
میخوای به اشتباه بندازی بچه ها رو؟
چی؟ سب کنید 5 تا از من جلوه. 5 تا.
خب
Hi, Rome and Mia. Betsy tells me you're looking to learn more about how data gets to your actual devices. I'm a technical operations manager at Prime Video Sports, and hopefully I can shed a little light.
Hi, Bjorn. It's nice to meet you.
Yes. West Ham just moved the ball forward to the other side of the field.
Speaking of moving forward, we learned that the data goes from the stadium to the data center, but where does the data go next?
Well, I'm so glad you asked, Mia. After the data is encoded, it's sent to content delivery networks, which we call CDNs. CDNs are systems of computers and servers spread out around the world that deliver content to users in different locations. It's like an information superhighway. Multiple CDNs working together create smaller roads on the main highway. Because the data has to travel a shorter distance, it reduces the time it takes to get the actual game to you. It's how we deliver content like WNBA basketball NFL football, and even Premier League football.
Premier League football?
We call it soccer.
How long does all this take?
Well, believe it or not, it's nearly in real time.
I don't want to hear about a touchdown 10 minutes after the fact.
Even 30 seconds is too long. It'll already be blowing up on social media.
Well, exactly. In sports, speed is critical. The delay between when the live event happens and when an audience views it is called latency. And nobody likes latency.
I got it. Latency, like late.
You're exactly right. Our goal is to minimize the delay in the transfer of data. Now, some things slow down the transfer, like how far the data has to travel, or network traffic. Network traffic is the number of users accessing the data at any one time.
That could be tens of millions of people.
Oh, that is so true. But there's one more step. The data has to be in a format you can see on your streaming device. Software on your devices decode the digital data and convert it into video and audio in real time.
Go Team Stream. How'd you get into this work? Were you a big football fan?
Well, I've always been into sports, but during college, I had an opportunity to work as an audio engineer, and that's where I truly found my love for live events. That transitioned into video production and broadcast, and the rest is history. And now here we are at Prime Video.
Only your team doesn't get tackled.
Or wear helmets.
You know, I hadn't thought of it, but that is a major upside.
Speaking of soccer, the match I'm watching keeps getting a spinning wheel on it. I need to know the score.
Rome, we have a game to catch. We can worry about that some other time.
Well, listen, I will connect you with my good friend, Nick. He works on the core tech at Prime Video Sports, and he can teach you how troubleshooting really works.
Sweet, thanks.
Absolutely, and have fun at the game.
خب آماده این engineers work to reduce
Yellow.
latency.
مصنوعی سب کن. What?
ببینید دوتا شمارهشون یکیه. امتیاز این دوتا یکیه دقیقا.
ماهانم که از قبل
بعدی software on your device does what?
نه
Yes.
نه
Yes. 65 points.
The game last night was amazing. Check out the shots I got.
I know, we're right there in it. I wish I could go to live games all the time, but at least we have streaming.
I can't wait to find out more about Team Stream.
Hey, welcome to a Prime Video Live Operations Center. I'm Nick, support engineer for Prime Video Sports. I heard someone was having an issue with a soccer match.
And switching back and forth to the Storm game. That would be Rome.
What? I love sports. Sue me.
I get it, Rome. My love of sports is why I got into this line of work. If streaming was possible when I was a kid, yeah, I'd be doing the same thing.
Thank you. It seems to be working now, though.
Wow, that was fast. Can you tell us how you fixed it?
I can. In any live event, there could be many things that can and often do go wrong. There could be issues with the hardware of the stadium, issues with getting the signal from the stadium to data centers, congestion in the content delivery network, or your internet provider, or even issues with your Wi-Fi or your device. I have tools that tell me how each of those things are performing in real time, which allows me to then find the issue quickly and work to fix it using the appropriate solution. In your case, the problem was related to how much bandwidth your stream was receiving.
Huh?
When you stream a video, your device, like a computer, phone, or tablet, is receiving bits of data from our server. This is known as buffering. For you to have a smooth viewing experience, you must receive those bits fast enough so your device doesn't have to wait to show the next image. If your internet is slow or your internet provider is having issues, you won't be able to receive the video fast enough, which causes the device to pause until it gets more video and audio data.
Oh. That explains the spinning wheel of death on the screen.
Exactly. The wheel is a signal that the internet can't keep up with the video and is waiting to get more of the video before it continues playing.
How does Amazon know if there's a problem with the stream in the first place? And how do you solve it?
We have control rooms that monitor all of our live events. We try to find and fix issues before they impact the customer experience, but naturally at our scale, we can't do that manually. So we have computers that do the watching and the listening to identify problems as they're occurring, sometimes before they may occur, which helps me and my colleagues pinpoint and fix the issues quickly. Customers, of course, are able to call technical support where they can work with them to solve issues real time.
So you get to watch games all day and be the hero? Sounds like my dream job.
It's certainly a sweet gig. Here we solve streaming problems by troubleshooting. That's a systematic approach to finding and resolving a problem. Because streaming is live, Amazon anticipates issues and has solutions.
So you're like literally ahead of the game.
We certainly try to be. We use a lot of hardware, software, and systems to deliver content. If a component breaks, it could shut down the whole stream. So to avoid a shutdown, we build in redundancy, a system design in which a component is duplicated. So if it fails, there will be a backup to keep it going.
What if there's a problem on our end? Like a lot of people in my house using the internet at the same time.
Before I tell you, let's see what you think the answer is.
آماده این؟ How do you think Prime Video supports issues that happen on customers' end? They open up more highways for the data to travel and temporarily lower the quality of the stream.
There are two other ways Amazon troubleshoots when there's a streaming problem. When the software on your phone recognizes data slowing down due to traffic, it will temporarily lower the quality of the stream so you can watch uninterrupted.
How does lowering the quality fix the problem?
It's a good question. To play a higher quality stream, it requires more audio and video data. We can lower the quality of the stream to decrease the amount of data needed, which allows the stream to make it through the traffic jam.
But I need my high def.
Once the traffic clears up, the system changes back to the highest quality picture possible. And if there are a lot of people using the same internet, we open up more content delivery networks, those are CDNs, to alleviate traffic a bit.
So more CDNs create more roads, so there's less traffic.
Yes. We like to think of streaming as getting to a destination. Everyone's trying to get to the same place and watch the stream. If there's only one road to the destination, it creates a traffic jam. But with more roads open, the stream can get to its destination without the jam.
Wow, I love it here behind the scenes.
Behind the streams.
Behind the streams is where it's at. We're constantly troubleshooting and gaming out solutions to deliver the very best possible viewing experience.
One last question. What can a kid my age do now so I can have a job like this in my future?
Well, there's a lot of paths you can take to work in sports technology. When I was in high school, this job didn't really even exist, but I loved computers, and that naturally led to working in operations centers, and now I'm here at Amazon.
Amazing. I love Stream Team.
Me too. I could really see myself in this line of work. But right now, I got a basketball game to catch up on.
Well, we've got a solution for that too. I'll connect you to a colleague so you can learn how rapid recap works. But first, let's test your knowledge of troubleshooting.
No sweat. Let me take the lead on this one, Rome.
جوکاشو خیلی چیزیه.
Software preload bits of data to ensure your video watching experience is smooth. That's called buffering.
ماها داره چیت میکنه. ببین الان پوینتش ریورسش کنی 6-7 چیته.
ماهان از اول حواسش جمع بود دیگه، داره میاد جلو دیگه. بنده خدا چه چیتینگی میکنه؟ یکی دیگه. backup equipment.
Yes.
redundancy.
کی اشتراک گرفت؟
چرا هنوز 4؟
Yes.
69.
6742. 67. پوینتری ماهان 67 داره.
Hi, I'm Mia, and this is Rome.
Hi, I'm Ishna. I'm a product manager in Prime Video Sports.
Thank you so much for letting us talk to you today.
Of course.
Rome's obsessed with American football and European football, aka soccer.
Hey, I get it. West Ham all the way.
First question, is West Ham winning? I totally missed the end of the first half of the match. I just want to catch up on the highlights.
You and a lot of other viewers. When I was a kid, if you missed a part of a game, there was no replay. There's no backing up to the beginning, and you have to be glued to the screen.
Wow, now there's tons of ways to catch up.
Yep, and we're always adding new features. We heard from some of our viewers that Thursday Night Football customers really wanted a better way to catch up with sports they missed. So we invented Rapid Recap, short customized videos that help you get highlights and time codes of the important plays. We're always looking for new ways to improve the streaming experience.
For Rapid Recap, is a person editing the videos?
Actually, it's AI, so artificial intelligence.
So how do you know what features to build?
We're always, as product managers, looking for new ways to meet customer needs. So a big part of my job is listening to customers' feedback, learning what their viewing habits are, and then we build that into software.
Here's some fan feedback. I love Rapid Recap.
Hey, we'll take that. We love to hear what's working well for customers or what's not working well. And then we write user stories, which are explanations of what that feature looks like from a customer's perspective. I share those user stories with our engineers, and then we develop and improve the feature.
A win for West Ham would make Rome's experience better.
Yeah, I can't help you there.
How did you get into your role?
Well, growing up, I wanted to be an astronaut, and that is not what I'm doing today. But I had a bunch of jobs that helped me build some of the skills that I use every day. So I was an econ major. We learned how to, understand trends, predict patterns, understand how businesses work, and all of these are great building blocks to try to figure out what I wanted to do. And then product was the perfect fit.
Awesome. Could you tell us how the AI works?
To understand how the AI works behind Rapid Recap, you should talk to my colleague in Tel Aviv. She's great. We've got teams all over the world.
Sweet. Hey, they won.
Awesome. Glad we're ending on a high note. I'll connect you guys over FaceTime.
آماده اید؟ Product managers do what? بچه ها رو به اشتباه
بعد هم مامان رو
عرفان،
گول بزنیم.
بچه ها رو گول نزن. خب همون ترتیب حفظ شد. بعدی.
Hey, let's call her.
Yeah, let's get some answers about Rapid Recap.
Hi, Shalom.
Hi, I'm Rome.
I'm Mia.
Hi, I'm Shachar and I'm an applied scientist on Amazon's Prime Video Sports team.
Hi, we're investigating sports streaming technology. Can you tell us how Rapid Recap works?
Sure, you came to the right place.
Sports happen live in real time, right? So we have to figure out how to get data and content to users quicker.
How does it work?
With artificial intelligence and machine learning.
AI. Trippy. Like using algorithms.
Yes. Artificial intelligence uses algorithms and machine learning to perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. Rapid Recap uses a type of AI called machine learning, which is the science of getting computers to perform or make predictions based on examples or past experiences. Engineers train computers with thousands of plays across multiple games, tagging important moments. The computers learn which plays are important and can recognize them as they happen in new games.
So the computer decides which plays are most important?
In a way, yes, because we've trained the software. Computer vision is a type of machine learning that enables a computer to interpret and understand information from images and videos.
During a broadcast, the algorithm identifies key moments in the game,
the plays that people will want to see. The software automatically edits those moments into short videos that will play and bring you right to the live game. The AI knows how much of the game you missed and customizes the content to catch you up to the action.
Wow, I feel like it knows me.
Are you using AI and machine learning in other ways?
We're always innovating. We've got a lot of extreme sports fans who can't get enough stats about players.
Rome, you're not alone.
And we're always experimenting with new ways to serve up content, new ways of using statistical data to provide insights about players' performances and game dynamics. We can also use AI to make predictions, like how likely a player is to make a catch or what the defense might do next.
It feels interactive, like I may not be on the field, but with all these features, I feel like I'm right there.
I'm not on the field either. I'm a scientist. I'm nowhere near the actual games we analyze.
But I don't need to be. All our work happens online.
Were you into sports as a kid?
Actually, I wasn't into sports or coding. I studied mechanical engineering in college. It wasn't until grade school that I switched into electrical engineering and data science.
If you like this kind of stuff, I encourage you to learn coding and take as many STEM classes as you can. Sports and tech are an awesome combo.
Wow, thanks.
Yeah, thanks. And say thanks to the AI. It's doing a great job.
I'll be sure to do that.
Bye, shalom.
Wow, a call all the way from across the world.
We've gone global.
این پله
یک زده.
اینم پله. How interested are you in pursuing careers in technology?
یه نفر یک هی میزنه.
Yes!
Lucky shot.
Not luck, skill. While you were streaming, I was practicing.
I'm a super fan, and I'm proud of it. Anyways, it's fans like me that help the live streaming team find cool new features. They need my feedback.
Yeah, the technology just keeps getting better. Like how AI just seems to know what you want to see.
I've said it before, and I'll say it again. A job with TeamStream would be pretty awesome.
Only so many people can play on the field, no matter what the sport is. But working in sports technology is wide open. Heads up.
I like where your head is at. They get the best of both worlds. Amazing technology in all the sports all the time.
I love how there's a place on the team for everyone, on the field and behind the scenes.
And the tech is always improving, always evolving. New technology means new jobs, which I, for one, am pumped about.
I guess you never know where a love of sport
or a love of tech might take you.
This was an awesome tour. Thanks for coming along.
And thank you for touring.
And keep exploring.
Rapid fire. I'm not Mahan overtake color. Oh no. Let's go.
Hardware.
اشتباه کلیک کردم.
سوال بعد. validate coded.
آها فکر نکنم بتونیم overtake کنیم.
بعدی
دلی زدم. Celebrating crazy.
When there's a lot of network traffic. CDNs. سوال بعد. Type of AI called.
اینو من زن فهمیدم. ماهان اول شده.
Computer vision.
ماهان همه چطوری درست گرفته؟
اشتباه بکردی
6 7
خیلی عالی.
بکنم اولین باری که من که مجیشن حتی رو داشت منو باش باختم.
شاید، ولی
من اصلا
بچه
آفساید
این
داون
تورهای
کردم.
آمازون یه جورایی فقط مرور میکنه که کارهای مختلفی که دارن و پروژه‌هاشون اینا چطور انجام میشه، یه ویو خوبی میده توی بعضی زمینه‌ها. یه دونه دیگه هم هست برای هلت کیر و بعد یه دونه دیگه هم میوزیک. حالا اون دوتا رو هم شاید ببینیم جلسات بعد، ولی خوب بود، عالی بود تلاشتون. انشالله تا جلسه بعد به خدا میسپارمتون. خداحافظ بچه.
خیلی ممنون.
سلامت
خداحافظ.
باشین. خداحافظ.
خداحافظ.
خداحافظ شما.